And welcome back. Second half action now. Kingston College have booked their spots in the ISSA urban area under 14 and under 16 football finals following semi-final wins over Campion College and Mona High respectively at Winchester Park. More in this report.
After seeing Jamaica College book the double in the under 14 and under 16 finals a day earlier, Kingston College turned up on Tuesday and matched the feat. It took a single goal to decide the under 14 leg away in Furtado, getting the job done 8 minutes from time to set up a date with the Dark Blues from Old Hope Road. The goal was Furtado's 20th of the season. He was named man of the match.
I'm feeling great to score the winning goal for my team. It's not the first time I've done it. I done it the first time against Stats, and this is my second time against Campion College.
KC were more destructive in under 16 semis as they were led to a 4-0 victory over Mona High on the back of a hat-trick from Javon Buckridge. The Purples were on their way from the 19th minute through Rashid Payne. That opened the door for Buckridge to take charge. Buckridge's first game in the 27th minute to make it 2-0. Mona were down and out as Buckridge made it 3-0. And it was all over when Buckridge completed the hat-trick as KC sailed to a 4-0 win and a date with JC. Buckridge, who was named the man of the match, has now scored 18 goals in the season.
Very pleased with my rush and performance because the last few games I did score. And I go back to the training ground, come in this match, semi-finals, and execute, get the victory done.
The finals will be played on Thursday with the under 14 finals set to kick off at 2 p.m. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.